We are Apana people, so we are very thankful to Your Excellency for elevating the head of the Apana clan to the head of the Traditional Rulers Council in Rivers State. Kwanumam no is Apana head of the Traditional Rulers Council. Obonono Governor Kabo, Anekweku Aneme, Anekweku Anemegene, Governor Akelelame, thank you so much. And Eneka is the third son of Apra. Whatever you have done for the Apra clan, you have done for the Eneka man. We celebrate you on this occasion and we say thank you. Then Eneka Gatri Bohati Bosa. And the politics of Babalamu. Your Excellency, it's so nice to have you here. Thank you very much. The Eneka people are grateful for your friendship. They know that you're my friend. In Eneka, we don't do wayo friendship. Abu Gebin Chilaru, Guru to Zugwa Manurimo here. When Eneka man say, I follow you, we follow you forever. Eneka man is a great supporter of our governor, Governor Sim Fubara. And will continue to follow you because we know that we will find the way once we follow you. Be a man of astute administrative capability. Before Presidential line of office, before the suspension, the only state that never borrowed one kobo. The whole Nigeria. The only state that has savings of over 300 billion. Countless number of projects. For the past 3-4 weeks, every day, one new project was inaugurated. Please, what do the people want again apart from good governance and development? And to take the interest of the people. Gora Boroha, Obolo Guru, interest Bano Zochi. Governance of Rivers State, Polake Badon, Obolo to Badon. As we sit here now, I'm Moguzo Pambra, the governor of Rivers State. There is only one governor in Rivers State. Whether you like it or you don't like it or if you like, shout from now to tomorrow. Only how many governors? And no, no, Hamokuga. Wasn't yet open. Wasn't honey me. Can you make a Oze honey me? Interpret it for me, please. It's on happen as a pa for 8 years. 8 years and don't hang chiga. Or Bali le government house. Answer kwa my boy. Or Bali le government bola no haka bo nyo han yo. Or high make quade. You check what here. Anyway, bro, election no hande ke carry go. Amaya agine man. Obe so kuna lazima no politics but omo na hashi onshi. Come on, make out. Ngano. Don't have bekule mano. Kalamanu make out. Abi yishia hiyo. Ngano na beta na microphone.
Thank you very much, Your Excellency. His Excellency, the Governor of Rivers State.